Fire Department. Honorary Firefighter Jimmy Matus, West Fire Department. Honorary Firefighter William Buck Upmore, Jr., West Fire Department. Captain Harry Calvin, Mertens Fire West EMS. Captain Kenneth Lucky Harris, Dallas Fire Department. Captain Cyrus Reed, Abbott Fire Department, West EMS. Firefighter Morris Bridges, Jr., West Fire Department. Firefighter Joseph Joey Pushofsky, West Fire Department. Traditionally throughout the United States and internationally, the symbol that we use to ring the last tribute to in honor of those lives is the signal 555, our tribute to and honor of answering the last alarm.